If you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing, this is the best video for you. This method is very new and still not very popular. If you're going to make money with it, you need to act fast before others do it. Therefore, make sure you keep watching this video with attention until the end so that you won't miss any essential details. The first thing you need to do is find a profitable niche. The choice of the niche is essential because we will be focusing on making money with the power of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means you promote somebody's product through an affiliate link. You can promote different products in your description box. For example, if your audience is interested in gadgets, the best would be to upload your shorts in the tech review niche and promote some cool gadgets in your channel. All you have to do is type your niche in the YouTube search bar. Then watch some videos to get some ideas for your shorts. For example, if you type gadgets in the YouTube search bar, you will find a lot of channels that are doing this successfully. This one is called New Smart Utilities. You can see here their videos are 1 minute long or less. If you check their description, you can see they're putting Amazon affiliate links in their description box and driving viewers to the Amazon website. If anybody purchases a product from their affiliate links, they will get an affiliate commission from that purchase. And this is the best way to make money from YouTube Shorts without monetization. And the fantastic thing is that they did not create a single video themselves. You will be also re-uploading and reusing content you found online and transforming that content into a short YouTube video. This method is called fair use. You may be wondering what fair use is. Fair use is a doctrine in United States law that permits limited use of copyrighted material without acquiring permission from the copyright holder. Fair use is one of the limitations to copyright intended to balance the interests of copyright holders. The public interest in the wider distribution and use of creative works by allowing a defense to copyright infringement claims specific limited uses that might otherwise be considered infringement. Don't worry, it's 100% legal to use. So when you come over to YouTube and type in gadgets, you will get so many channels. But it would help if you found a channel that is getting more views. And if you don't want to find it yourself, then go over to this channel called Tech Zone. If you click on any of these videos and check the description, you will find where these people are getting them because they don't create them themselves. They're getting these videos from the actual owners. As you can see, they're getting them from Amazon. Now, what I don't want you to do is to download some of those videos, trim some parts, and re-upload them as a short on your channel, because that would be stealing and you would sooner or later get a copyright strike or lose your YouTube channel. It's a little bit risky, but don't worry. I will show you another more straightforward way to get this without copyright issues. All you have to do is go to Pexels.com to download copyright-free videos. Now go to the search bar and search for whatever your video will be about. So I type in gadgets and then click on the video button right here. Once you do that, Pexels.com will give you lots of different videos which I can use free of charge. All you have to do is click on this arrow button, and when you click on it, that video will immediately be going to download on your device. And the good thing is you can do this again and again for unlimited times. But if you can't find the video you like, then go to TikTok.com. If you go to TikTok and search for gadgets, you will find these videos. Almost all of them have been created by the product owner, which is perfect for us. Now, you need to find a product that you want to promote. Once you find a product to promote, you need to find it on Amazon. After that, add an affiliate link in the description of your video. Then you can start to drive viewers by using a call to action so that they can purchase this product from your link. And I will show you how you can do it. So all you need to do is, you need to click on any video that you like most, then copy this link from here. Once you copy this link, you need to go over this website called ssstic.io. This website allows us to download this video without a watermark. Now you have to paste your copied link here for download. Once you have downloaded it, you will need a video editor to add a call to action to this video. I would recommend you to use a website called Canva.com. Canva is a complete design tool for anyone who isn't an experienced designer. Nowadays, you can edit videos by using Canva without any cost. You can sign up there for free. Once you're logged in, click on Video and choose a video format that you want to use. Choose either mobile video or TikTok video here. Now you are being directed to the editing module of Canva. What I want you to do next is to upload your downloaded clip by clicking on the Uploads button. Remember, shorts are not supposed to be longer than 60 seconds anyway. Once it's uploaded, drag and drop the first clip onto the editing space. Now adjust the size and the alignment a bit. When you are happy with the alignment, click on the text button to add text to your video. You can place it above and below your video. Write something like product link in the description or something similar. This is called call to action text, where you inform potential customers to go to your affiliate link. Repeat the entire process with your second clip by adding another page from here. Once you have finished editing, click on the download button to download your Shorts video to your device. You can use many different affiliate marketplaces, but in this tutorial, we will use Amazon as our affiliate marketplace. You can sign up there for free. Once you're registered on Amazon, you can grab your referral link for the product you want to promote through your Shorts. You can expect to earn up to 10% affiliate commission. If someone buys a product worth $100, you can make up to $10. How much money you can make depends on which type of product you are promoting. If you promote luxury products, you can earn up to 10%. But if you are promoting technology products, you can earn around 7 to 8% commission. So it depends on which product you're promoting. Now sign into your Amazon Associates account. You can sign in by clicking this button right here. But if you don't have an account, you have to click on this to create your Amazon account button. Once you click on this button, you will land on this page. Here you can create an account by entering your name, email, and password. It is so simple. When you finish it, go to Amazon and search for the product that you're trying to promote. Copy your affiliate link and paste it into the description box of your video when you find the product. When someone buys this product from your affiliate link, you will earn a commission. Now move on to the final step. The final step is to upload your short video. Log into your YouTube account and upload your shorts, which you downloaded from Canva. Add an excellent title containing the viral hashtag shorts. Then type a superb description and don't forget to add your Amazon referral link to your description. After that, add some tags right here. You can use vidIQ for viral tag research. In that way, you will increase the chances of getting more views. To be 100% safe and protected by a fair use agreement, I would recommend you also give credits to the original uploader of the clips. In addition, you can also record a short voiceover with some information about the product. That way your video will apply to terms of fair use and you are good to go. I have shown you how you can easily create and upload shorts from scratch. But you won't make thousands and thousands of dollars with only 1, 2, or 3 of those shorts. If you want to make decent money from affiliate commissions using YouTube Shorts, you will need to upload many of them. And you will need to upload consistently to trigger YouTube's algorithm to promote your videos to more people. The method I have shown you in this tutorial is very easy. You can upload 10, 20, or even 50 of them every day. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," and I will personally reply to your comment.